Izivumelwano. Subject concords. Siyini isivumelwano? What is a subject concord? Directly translated, isivumelwano means agreement. Therefore, isivumelwano, subject concord, in IsiZulu grammar brings agreement between the subject of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. In English, you cannot say, the person are eating. Instead, you say, the person is eating. The same applies in IsiZulu. You cannot say, umuntu bayadla. Instead, you say, umuntu uyadla. So then, how do you know which isivumelwano to insert in a sentence? In order to know which subject concord you should insert in a sentence, you first have to know your noun prefixes, iziqalo zamabizo, because each noun prefix has a subject concord, isivumelwano, that matches it. See video on noun prefixes thoroughly explained. Link is in the description box below. Continue watching to see which subject concord matches which noun prefix with some examples too. What you now see is a table with 3 columns. In the first column are listed all the noun prefixes. In the second column are where all your subject concords are listed. In the third column is where I've given examples of sentences to show you how the noun prefix works together with the subject concord to create agreement in a sentence.